Hey friends, if you encounter any error while trying to download games from the Microsoft Store, then please watch this video. So usually games are heavier than applications, mostly. So first of all, check the internet connection speed. Go to fast.com and check if the speed is good enough. Okay. The next one is to perform WS reset. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window and type the command WS reset. Hit enter and it will reset the Microsoft Store. It will reopen Microsoft Store after resetting it. The next one is to re-register Microsoft Store. We have a command for this. Copy it, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and hit enter. It will re-register or kind of reinstall the Microsoft Store. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.